Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Byron Santuan from Best SW1A, and this video presentation is for our final examination in our subject AL121 Arabic language. So, let's start. Hada babun, this is a door. Hada masjidun, this is a masjid. Hada kalamun, this is a pen. Mahada, what is this? Hada kamisun, this is a shirt. Ahada kalamun, is this a pen? Naam, hada kalamun, yes, this is a pen. Ahada baitun, is this a house? Naam, hada baitun, yes, this is a house. Madalika, what is that? Dalika hajarun, that is a stone. Madalika, what is that? Hada baitun, that is a house. Adalika masjidun, is that a masjid? Naam, dalika masjidun, yes, that is masjid. Hadihi hakibatun, this is a bag. Hadihi fakihatun, this is a fruit. Hadihi sayaratun, this is a car. Tilka mudarisatun, that is a lady teacher. Tilka hakibatun, that is a bag. And that's all. Thank you for watching.